Delhi recorded a rapid increase in the Yamuna's water level over the past 3 days. The river flowing through the national capital swelled to a staggering 208.53 meters at 10 am on Thursday. The water level exceeded the evacuation mark of 206 meters on Monday night, prompting the relocation of people residing in flood-prone areas to safer locations and the closure of the old railway bridge for road and rail traffic. The rise in water level has caused immense hardships to people living in close proximity to the river. The Central Water Commission said that the water level is likely to rise to 208.75 meters by 4 pm on Thursday. Announcements for evacuating people are being made at various locations in the city. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said that water supply may be affected in parts of the city with the shutting down of treatment plants at Wazirabad, Chandrawal and Okhla following rising levels of the Yamuna.